how to see someone's latest following on Instagram. In today's video, we're diving into a hot question. Can you actually see someone's most recent following on Instagram? The answer might surprise you, so stick around till the end to find out the truth. Before we jump in, make sure to tap that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on simple and smart tutorials like this one. All right, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your own profile. Next, tap on your following list. This shows the accounts you're currently following. You'll notice a small sort icon, usually 2 arrows at the top right of the list. Tap on that. By default, the list is usually sorted randomly or based on interaction. But if you select the Date Followed Latest option, it'll reorder your list to show the most recently followed accounts at the top. This works great for your own account, but what about someone else's? Let's test it. I'll open a random public profile, let's say Craspedia Doax. Once I open their profile and tap on their following list, you'll notice something. There's no sort option available. Instagram doesn't allow you to sort or filter someone else's following list by date. And that's the key takeaway. Instagram currently does not offer a way to see someone else's most recent following. Any tool or app claiming to show this is either fake, unreliable, or violates Instagram's terms, which you should absolutely avoid for your safety and privacy. So while you can see who someone follows, you can't officially sort it by the latest on their profile. I hope this cleared up your doubts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment below if you have any other Instagram questions you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.